The most popular getaway package is a cattle drive. Every spring and fall, they round up and move the Longhorn herd approximately 50 miles between summer and winter pastures.
Hi, I'm Gene Banks, and we're out here in Kansas with, I guess, Joe and Nancy Moore. I met Joe about a year ago, and we were on a buffalo hunt together. And at that point, he started talking about a Longhorn cattle drive, and to me that was kind of epitomized some of the spirit of the West. So I began talking to some of my family members, and as a result, at that point, we planned a trip, and my two sons were scheduled to come, and then all of a sudden my sister, I told her about the trip, so she wanted me to bring my three nephews. So we've got a family affair going on here, and I have one son that was scheduled to come, and at the last minute he was deployed to Saudi. He's an Air Force pilot, and so he was not able to make this trip, but he's with us in spirit, and so we're pretty excited about that. But we have a bunch of family members out here, and we're enjoying the company of the other people who've joined us, and the hospitality of Joe and Nancy and a brother, Jeff.
These drives are authentic and not put-ons. The number of participants is limited to 10. This allows you to relate one-on-one with the cowboys and take full advantage of the experience.
Really, the thing that I'm hoping to get out of this is just better understanding of what a drive is like, and to enjoy the week. I don't really have any preconceived notions about what's going to happen. Certainly I don't want to be thrown. I understand I'm probably going to be somewhat sore. I just don't want to be too sore.
The Moore Ranch provides the horses and tack needed for you to participate in the cattle drive. You provide the courage and desire to try something that only a select few ever get to experience. You will develop horseback riding skills, learn how to brand cattle, and move a herd across the open range.
It's been pretty exciting so far. I don't even know how long. I think we've gone 10 miles.
I think we've got about 6 or 7 miles.
Really? Yeah. Okay, well, we've got about 6 or 7 miles. Feels like 10. But doesn't mean it hasn't been fun. It's just, I think sore-wise, it's about 10 miles for me. Maybe it's just because I get sore a little bit easier than everyone else here. But it's been pretty good. It's a lot better than I thought it would be. And, well, I didn't think it would be bad to begin with. It's a lot better. It's a lot more fun. Great scenery, great horses, some entertaining moments earlier. And so far this turned out to be a pretty good trip. I like it a lot.
I've had some rough horses already, and all the soreness is worked out now. So, hey, I'm not kidding. Dennis Lee and I, we were flying earlier, and I hadn't been able to do that for the past 5 hours.
The drive is real, and so is the work. The Moore Ranch will provide you with a real-life cattle drive in which you will be an active participant. You will have the opportunity to try your hand at some target practice or practice your roping skills. The meals are prepared on the trail and cooked the old-fashioned way, right over the open campfire. Let me tell you, those homemade biscuits and gravy in the morning will get your day off to a good start.
It's been fantastic. It's just, I think it's, met and exceeded a lot of our expectations. I don't think any of us, anticipated, just how physical, the ride is.
Endorse everybody else's remark. Excellent organization, good equipment, feed well.
Okay, your hold
My
right
comment
here.
was I was
Hard
born
hang
and
on
reared in
either side
Kansas,
of the
went
hole.
all the way through school through KU, and I never realized Western Kansas could be so beautiful.
At the end of the day, the tents are set up for you to use. However, a lot of folks like to sleep out in the open and enjoy the stars at night. Either way, you will go to sleep knowing that you did something special today. Try your hand at cowboying, just relax or sample it all. The choice is yours. See you on the trail.